big legal victory for D.C.'s top prosecutor after a federal judge ruled the National Guard deployment in the city was illegal.
Reporter John Gonzalez with us live this morning to talk about what is next for the district. Good morning, John.
Adam, good morning to you. Yeah, this ruling from U.S. District Court Judge Gia Cobb comes after D.C. filed a lawsuit against President Donald Trump, arguing that the continued presence, the continued deployment of National Guard in the district is a federal violation. So for now, this injunction blocks the president from deploying or requesting any Guard members to the district, but the order is stayed for 21 days, which means the troops currently in the city will remain through at least mid-December, we are told, while the ruling faces an appeal. Now, the Guard has been in D.C. since late August, initially as part of a federal law enforcement surge. In filings, Attorney General Brian Schwab argued that using the military as a domestic police force violates the Posse Comitatus Act. He wrote in a statement, take a look, quote, normalizing the use of military troops for domestic law enforcement sets a dangerous precedent. He added, it is long past time to let the National Guard go home to their everyday lives, their regular jobs, their families, and their children, unquote. Across the past few months, roughly 2,300 Guardsmen have been in D.C. with additional troops coming from Louisiana, Mississippi, Ohio, and South Carolina. Even before this federal ruling yesterday, several states had already begun sending troops home, including troops from Tennessee and South Carolina. Reporting live, John Gonzalez, 7 News.
So, John, you mentioned that the White House has 21 days to appeal the decision. Are they saying anything else about the judge's ruling?
They are. The White House has responded, saying that this is nothing more than just an attempt to undermine the president's efforts at the expense of D.C. residents. The White House's spokesperson, Abigail Jackson, writing in a statement, these operations have been highly successful in addressing violent crime in the city.
Yeah, two sides seeing things a lot differently here. We'll keep posted on this. John, thanks.